Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin this PC right on the taskbar. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to pin this PC to the taskbar, we are going to right click on the desktop and then we go to new and then shortcut. So at the shortcut, you are going to type explorer.exe space shell column my computer folder, and then we click on next. So at the name, we are going to give the name this PC, and then we click on finish. So we are going to change the icon. So to do that, I'm going to right click on this PC, then I go to properties. So at the properties, we are going to click on change icon, and then we are going to browse, and then we are going to locate system 32. Okay, so I'm going to open that, and then we are going to locate shell32.dll. So I'm going to search for it, shell32.dll. So I'm going to click on that, and then we click on open. So I'm going to select this icon, okay? Then I click on OK, apply, and then OK. So now to pin this PC to the taskbar, we are going to drag and drop to the taskbar. So you can delete this shortcut on the desktop. So to get access to this PC, we are simply going to click on this icon on the taskbar, and then voila, we have access to this PC. So this is how to pin this PC to the taskbar. So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.